and as a sample. So we are writing the code in Python. So we are going to the method staircase because I didn't give any n value here. So just run the code. What is first? I loop went for 1 up to 4 times, j loop also 4 times. But in our question, the put if I give 8, the output it's not left aligned. If you see the so space followed, check it out what is n value you have taken from here, second value. Now check it out with the first value. N would simply make it -1. For example, here you have any pattern with easily any big pattern. Now run. Yeah, you can see the output like this. We got it. How easily you can make it if you know this one. Now I'll try to execute the same with respect to program inputs. Yeah, test case is passed.